All right, it is finally time for me to teach y'all how to interpret the Standard Celeration Chart, also known as the SCC. Many people get intimidated when they look at the SCC, so here I'm going to break it down step by step for y'all. Let's start with the horizontal axis. Each line that goes down vertically is a day line, and it represents one day. Each thick blue line is a Sunday. So everything between it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then back to Sunday. This SCC is the most common standard acceleration chart used, and it is the daily per minute standard acceleration chart. As we can see, it has 140 days. At the top, we label the date to synchronize the chart with the real calendar. That is the horizontal axis. Now you know where to read what on that axis. Now let's move to the vertical axis. But as you can see, there are two vertical axes, one on the left and one on the right. Let's start with the one on the left. At the bottom, you can have 0 or 1 per 24 hours. And then you can go also to the top where it could be 1,000 per minute. If we look at this section right here, we can use a little special rhyme that Michael Mahoney came up with. He says, big numbers that start with 1 tell us what to count by and what to count from. So when I'm counting my lines, I know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But now we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we count by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Now, the obvious question is what happens if you have something that is, let's say, in between 10 and 20? If it's 15, well, we guesstimate and we put it right in the middle, and that would be 15. Okay? If we go up and we say something is about 19, we would put it right below. Okay? So it's right below 20. So that would be 19. We do the same for when we go to the hundreds. If we have something that's 120, we would want to put it right here. That could be 120. As we report the data, we report it by per minute. So that's 1 per minute, and that is 2 per minute. Over here was 15 per minute, and over here was 120 per minute. And that's part 1 on how to interpret the SCC. I am Jared, a precision teacher and PhD student at Penn State, Black and here to educate.